Welcome to MasterWriter Tips and Tricks. In this episode, we'll be talking about alliterations. An alliteration is the repetition of two or more words where the initial consonant sound is the same. Alliterations bring a rhythm and musicality to what the writer or speaker would like to express. They are easy to remember and can be very effective when used creatively. They're used in songs, literature, speeches, entertainment, and business. Good golly, Miss Molly. My heart stood still, and the memorable words of Martin Luther King, dreaming of a world where his children would not be judged by the color of their skin, but by the content of their character. In business, alliterations are used to great effect to create memorable company names. American Airlines, Best Buy, Coca-Cola, Bed Bath & Beyond, and PayPal. Alliterations are useful and invaluable figures of speech to have in your toolbox. Whether using the creative writer or songwriter versions of MasterWriter, you will find alliterations under speech types. Here you'll find pages upon pages of alliterations in alphabetical order, perhaps the most comprehensive list of alliterations available. Remember, you can use the left and right arrow keys on your keyboard to scroll through the dictionary results. When you find ones you like, double-click to add to your collected. Under parts of speech, you can filter amongst adjectives, adverbs, nouns, and verbs ending in s, ed, or ing. Under word type, you can filter between positive alliterations, such as altruistic or almighty, and negative alliterations, such as appalled or antagonizing. You can also filter the list for moderate or intense words. You can mix the word type filters with parts of speech. For example, intense negative verbs ending in ing. And because alliterations rely on the initial consonant sound, you can filter by letter group to hone in on the sound you want to convey. First, choose the letter group, and then you can filter further by letter subgroups, which really let you dial in the sound of the alliterations you're looking for. As always, you can filter by syllable, which is very useful when using them in songs and poetry. If you'd like to learn more MasterWriter tips and tricks, please subscribe and click the bell to get notified of when we post new content. Thanks for watching.